Hey, what's going on everyone? Sebastian here. Today I have a really neat training for you. Today I'm going to show you how to put more cash in your pocket as an Amazon seller. Now we all know Amazon sellers need to have high cash flows in order to purchase more inventory, invest in marketing, etc., etc. Now I'm going to show you a way to put more cash into your business that will allow you to expand your business on Amazon without having to cut marketing costs and all these other types of things. Now, the easiest way to do this is to increase your efficiency with how you spend your budget. And the first place to look is inventory. Now, what do you mean, Sebastian? It's really simple. Just have your manufacturer. So I'm not too sure how you're already putting labels on your products. Maybe you're doing this yourself. Maybe you're a larger seller and you're outsourcing this to fulfillment centers or to your freight forwarders. Or you're having Amazon do it themselves. However you're doing it, a way to increase your efficiency and to put more money in your pocket would be to have your manufacturer actually print your ACoS barcode on your product. Now this does a couple things. This saves on labor capital. So if Amazon, if you're having Amazon label your products, you're saving 30 cents a piece right there. And you're also saving labor capital on fulfillment centers. And if your manufacturers are the ones putting the sticker on your product for you, you're saving on sticker costs, right? On the actual sticker and the labor for labeling the products with the sticker. So the easiest way, like I just mentioned, is just have it printed on your actual packaging. Have the barcode printed on there. You'll pay maybe 5 cents a unit for the ink, but that's it. No extra labor costs, no extra sticker costs. It's just ink. It's just an ink cost at that point. And it's incredibly efficient. I mean, it's extremely efficient because then you can just send directly into Amazon and they'll just scan the ACoS right into your inventory because it's printed on your packaging. Now, you didn't have to cut budget and you didn't have to do anything fancy. That was essentially allowing you to invest. I don't know, you might save a few $1,000s over the course of a year, but those extra few $1,000s will allow you to maybe invest into more aggressive marketing and potentially even into another product depending on how many units of inventory you're selling. So just wanted to share that very quick tip with you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment below. This was a pretty short but sweet training, but I really want to know what you guys think of it. And if you haven't already, please join my group. We're a private group and we share a ton of value with each other, so I'd love to have you guys. All right, I'll see you on the next video.